Do you wanna hurt me?
Oh my god.
I am so sad.
Oh, that shouldn't happen. He grabbed my...
No. Just let me know when you wanna play or do something.
Right guys, so today we're going to continue our work with my humanoid robot MiKE. Nobody see the password, right? In the codes we have it here. And in that version MiKE have 2 batteries in his feet. Each of MiKE leg feet have this battery. It works. Whoa. Excellent.
MOVI is ready. The call sign is MiKE.
Sit.
Okay. I will sit and wait now.
Alright, MiKE. Stand up.
Okay, get up.
MiKE. Walk. Or go, I don't remember.
Alright. Let's do this.
Take a cable from here. Alright. At least he tried to move. So guys, like you see, it's a lot of work with MiKE, and this is just a beginning. I will not...
Alright. Let's do this.
No. I won't give up. I'm gonna continue that work, and I'm gonna share all of my
Wow.
progress or fails.